What's up, guys? Back again here. What I want to do is I want to go over the challenge that I gave you guys in lesson 7. I want to go over the answer. I want to code it and get everything all nice and peachy. So basically the challenge was I wanted you guys to create a picture gallery with 10 pictures, 5 linked from the web, and I want the 5 of the pictures to be on your local hard drive, and I want them to be in a directory called images. And yes, that's pretty much what I want. And beside each of them, I want you guys to have a comment, okay? And I also want them to be hyperlinks. So when you click on the hyperlink, I want it to open up the image in another window. So let's do it. I've already actually went ahead, created a directory called Lesson 7, and I downloaded 5 pictures. So what I want to do is I'm going to put them all in one directory called Images. So what I got to do, these are the 5 that I copied to my hard drive from the web, and then we have to actually go out and manually get 5 more pictures. I chose to do pictures of my college, where I go to school, because it's pretty nice there. And here's a different format. This is called a GIF. We haven't used a GIF. We've just used JPEG so far. So we'll see what the difference is with linking those, which it's not. All you have to do is instead of .jpg, you type GIF. Okay, so before we go out on the web and get the 5 pictures we're going to link, let us go ahead and start coding, and we'll get these 5 working. Okay, so we're going to right-click on our Start program, then we're going to go to Open With and open it into our context. So I got our skeleton program, so we'll file and then we'll save it as, in our Lesson 7 directory, we'll save this as Lesson 7. And this is the Lesson 7 challenge. The Lesson 7 HTML has already been done. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to make these images display, and then we want to put our little caption beside them. So we're in this directory, so we need to access this folder. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to create a heading. I figure why the hell not. Heading, this is my pic gallery. Again, you guys know about my spelling problem. So we're going to close off our H1. So now it's going to say this is our picture gallery. Let's open this up. I want to make sure that everything is working okay. So I'm going to save it and refresh it. This is my pic gallery. Great. Okay. And we need to actually grab one of the images. So what do we do, guys? We got to search for the image. We got to use image src. And this is going to equal what the image is. So in quotations, we have to have images, right? We have to have the directory name. Let me click on this. So by doing the images here, it's going to look in here, and we're going to grab towson1.jpg. So this will be towson1.jpg. I hate to be graphic, but I think my dog just farted. Stop it! Stop being a bad puppy. Sit! Jackass. Stop being bad. What's the matter with you? He's chewing on my blanket right in front of my eyes. It's the only blanket that I have. Think you get away with it, huh? I'm sitting right here. You that stupid? Yes? Are you that stupid? Anyways. Image search. And then we're going to go ahead and change the width, and the height. Don't you dare! Stop it! Come on! The width, and then we're going to change the height. Equals that, and close it off. So we should have our image displaying with this, and we're going to change it to 200, and then a height of 100. Save it, refresh it. There's our picture 1. Oh, gorgeous. Alright, so now let's get our picture 2. We're going to do a line break, and then we're going to have picture 2 pop up. So let's go ahead, highlight this text and copy it, because it's just going to make life so much grander. So this will be 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So now all we have to do is change this to 2, change this to 3, change this to 4, and change this to 5. Save it. We should have all 5 of our images when I refresh. There they are, except for this one. What happened here? Aha! You guys recall what we did with this one? This one we changed. It's not a JPEG, right? It's a .gif. So this one will be .gif. Save it. Refresh it. There we go. Everything is perfect, nice and beautiful. So here's our little picture gallery. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to create that little caption to the right of it. So this first one is going to be, let's say, it'll be right before this BR, pic of campus, exclamation point. And let's save it and make sure it looks nice and pretty. Good. And then we'll go here to the next one. What is this next one a picture of? This next one is, see here, trees in the fall on campus. I'm not a very creative person when it comes to this stuff. Puppy, stop being bad. Come here where I can see you. Come here. Good. Alright. And now next, see, Towson 3, what did Towson 3 end up being? It was this. This is a picture of the dorm. So I'll say pic of dorm. Hopefully I spelled everything right. So now we got Towson 4.gif, which is the next one down. And this one is the campus map. So we'll do campus map, exclamation point. I like exclamation points. What are you crying about, buddy? What's the matter? The last one down is the United Stadium. This is a football stadium, so I'll just write football field. Save it and refresh it. Oh man, look at this. We got a pretty little pic gallery going on here. Of course, we don't have any links. We don't have any borders. We don't really have anything too fancy. So I'm going to be a bitch, and I'm going to require a border here. I'm going to make a border for each picture. So the border is going to equal, inside quotations, we're going to have a border of 2. Let's see what this looks like. So we got a little pretty border around the picture. Let's do it for all of them. So I'm going to copy my little border 2 that I wrote. Copy it. Paste it here. Whoops, got an extra space there. Copy it and paste it. I know this is exciting, right? Paste it here. Here and paste it here. Save her out and see what she looks like. Gorgeous. We got little pretty things around our pictures. You know, you can't ask for any better than that. So let us now go ahead and make these links. If I break my little, right after my tag here, I'm going to start an A, right? And of course, my requirement was to have it open up in its own web browser, so I'm going to just set up my target. Target equals quote underscore blank, and then quote. And then after that, we're going to do an href, H-R-E-F, equals, and then in quotations, we're going to actually copy this, because this is the same picture that we're using. Copy it, paste it, and then we're going to close that. Actually, no, we have to put a quote first, and then close that, and then close. There we go. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to come to the end of my picture, and then I want to close the A, so do /A. So now everything is closed. So everything in between this and in between this is going to be a link. Save it, make sure it works. Refresh it. If I click it, perfect. So now all I have to do is apply that to my other ones. There's something wrong with my dog today. He's going crazy. He's crying like... I just took him outside to go potty too. I don't know what his problem is. Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there. Alright. So now I gotta change this to Towson number 2. Change this to 3. And then we gotta remember to change this to 4.gif. And then we gotta change this to Towson 5. Save it, make sure it all works. And then we'll do a nice little half-ass going out on the web and getting our stuff. Whoops, I forgot to close them all. Am I bad or what? Let me copy this. I'm going to paste that there, 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 there. That should fix that little problem. Save it. Refresh it there. Now these are not links because we don't want them to be links. Click on this, it works. Click on this, it works. Oh man, we're kicking some serious That's here. There we go. So all the pictures, they work fine. Great. So now let's go out on the web and get a couple more pictures. So I'm going to open up a new one of these guys. Hit Google. Google.com. Images. Whoa, the dog's barking. Towson, Maryland. What the hell is he barking at? Towson Circle. Here's where all the cool people hang out. Beautiful little circle. Whoa, they have it nice and blurred. They got a little Bally Total Fitness there, bookstore. We'll get this one. Actually, I'm not going to copy the link yet because I have to. I'm going to copy all this. I'm going to right-click, copy it, and then we got to do 5 of these, right? So I'm going to separate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here's where the last one that we did ended for that, and then right here is where we're going to continue on. So if I'm going to copy this link from up here, right click, copy the link, and inside here I'm going to do paste and paste. So that should work fine. Let's bring our other document up and refresh it. So down below it, yes, we have the Towson. It's not the football field. This is the Towson Circle, right? C-A-R-C-L-E, circle. Why is he barking like that? He's crazy. Towson Circle. Now we got to grab another one. Ooh, Baltimore City. We'll get Baltimore City because that's where we are. Nice little picture of the city. Right click and copy that. Go into my context. Highlight this and paste it. We're just going to go for the long haul and finish her up because I know you guys are getting bored. And then where the image search is, we're going to paste it. So that's basically all what we're doing different is instead of having the link to a local picture, we're linking it to the web. And instead of having an image search on our local hard drive, we're having an image search on the World Wide Web. And this one is Baltimore City. Okay, so we got 3 more to go. It's no big deal. We can handle this. It's easy. Let's close that. We're doing this because I want you guys to see the painstaking progress. And when we actually build a website for ourselves, we're going to see how much of a pain in the ass it can be. Look at this little pretty building from the middle of Towson. Towson's actually a very beautiful place. If you guys ever get a chance to come out to Baltimore and check it out, this is like a humongoid like business complex that we have like right next to school, but I don't really want to use it because the picture's so small. What's this? There's got to be more than this. This is right down the street from my house. I don't see any pictures I like. Alright, well, this exercise is getting boring and I didn't really want it to be. So I'm just going to pick pictures. Doesn't matter. We're going to copy whatever the hell this is and put this into our Proggy here. Paste it. Paste it. Save it. Back. Whatever this is, I want it. It's like an old picture. Towson, Maryland. Like Shepherd. Wow, this is an old historic picture. Like right here, like Towson University now sits like here. Like this is the hospital. It's like right down the street from where my school is. And like, wow, it used to be all farms and stuff. That's really crazy. And we'll paste that picture there, and we'll paste it here. Let's go grab one more. That's actually a pretty fascinating little picture for me. And We'll make it whatever this is. It's a building. It's a Barnes & Noble, I think. Copy it. And paste it there, and paste it there. Check out a save. We'll take a look at our new little web gallery here. Everything came in just fine. It's nice and pretty looking. The only thing that kind of sucks is we didn't change our thing here, but it's no big deal. If I click on that, the image works. If I click on that, the image works. Watch the video, maybe fast forward the downtime, make one on your own. Hopefully you can make one prettier than what I got, and catch you in the next one.